Hi there and welcome to another Huxley Spatial quick demo. This quick demo is illustrating how to use and work with your attribute table for a given layer. So we're going to be working with this information here. We have these counties, but really we're going to be working with this Whatcom census. Whatcom is this northwestern county up in Washington state. So let's go ahead and zoom in on the Whatcom census layer. Let's go ahead and right click and open up attribute table. So you should have a table that looks like this. In each row we have what we call attributes with attribute information, and each column is a field. Now if you're interested in moving these fields around, and this is a rather large attribute table, so maybe there's an organization you'd like to affect on your attribute table, you can click on a given field label and drag it wherever you would like it, or drag it back. You can also right click and sort your information. If you want to sort something alphabetically or by a high-low number, you can do that. You can also delete fields. I won't do that here. You can turn fields off if you feel there is something not useful at all. You can freeze or unfreeze the column to keep the field visible when scrolling right or left if you don't want to move things around. There's also the field calculator, which we'll be showing you in a different demo, and calculating geometry, which we'll also be showing you in a different demo. You can use this for selecting a given record. So for instance, let's say I'm interested in these 4 or 5 records here. I can click on them, drag them in these little boxes here and select all of them together. I can also click one and hold the control button down and click this one down here so I can select ones that are not all together in a row. And then if I just want to see those records, these 5 records out of 99, I can click this button here to show the selected records only. This also is effective on your map. If you drag this window out of the way, you can see those records that I have selected in the table are selected in the map. You also have buttons up here. You can zoom to your selected layers in your map. You can clear your selection. You can switch the selection in this case. So if I was interested in selecting all of the counties, or rather all of the census blocks besides these 5, I would simply click that button, and now every single census block except for those ones I had previously selected, as I illustrate here, had been selected. You can also select by attributes, which is something you might be familiar with. We'll be showing you again that in another demo. These are some complex things you can do to specifically select attributes and set aside specific records to work with. You also have this option here, table options, where you can find and replace. You can switch your selection again. All of the buttons that are available at the top are available in this menu, this drop-down box. You can add your field, you can arrange your tables, you can work with your joins and relates and get a list of your joined and related tables. You can create a graph, you can print this, and you can work with the appearance. So that's just a quick demo of how to work with the various items in your attribute table.